So this is my fifth book. It's called Goodbye, Mr. Hollywood, and the main character Nick Lords is is a traveling writer, and uh he met the girl who was called by Jane and during he was eating a meal. And the girl is kind of like mystery because uh the girl uh called Nick Lords as Mr. Hollywood, and after after Nick met with the girl, he found out that there's really someone who wanted to kill him. When Nick finally met the real Mr. Hollywood, he noticed that Mr. Hollywood is Jane's boyfriend, and Jane was not called as Jane. Actually, she is Meg. So um she's the millionaire's daughter, and then uh the millionaire arrived, and then the millionaire told her daughter that the guy is like kind of like a cheater. He cheated on the girl and then stole their money. So the millionaire asked Mag to leave the guy, and then that's was the story. I would recommend this book because this one is kind of like detective book, and it kind of like it's you think a lot during your reading.